Hello and welcome back. In today's session we will be drawing this object in 3D, and the most important thing is to make sure that the workspace is in 3D modeling, and therefore the icons must be modified from the 2D. You will be having an additional the 3D icons. And some of you would like to start directly from the plane in which it is in 3D orthogonal space, which is as isometric for such a kind of drawing. The drawing is from south to east. Okay, but what I prefer is to start by the view, which may be the top view or the front or the side view, that consists of the most prominent information, and then I extrude my drawing in the Z direction. So here we have the top view, which contains the most important information. I have the contour of the drawing from the top view can be appearing. So I can go to the top view directly. Okay, I'll enter, so I can start by this side, which is equal to 50 minus 10, which is 40. Okay, I can go upward by 15, 10, 40 minus 15 is 25, 50, okay, 15, 15. So I'm moving the cursor in the direction I want to move the line. Okay, so 10, 15, then I close this by 15. As you can see, looking from the top view over this drawing, you have the most important information. Okay, still I have this rectangle, so I can go and choose from the draw rectangle. Okay, I choose specify first corner. Then it's asking me to specify the other corner or to enter the dimension. So I'll get the dimension. It is 25 by 8. Okay. So this is the top view for this 3D object. Now I can switch my view from the top to isometric. Okay, and start extruding the object. If you want to use the extrude, make sure to have all those sides joined. Okay, so you can join them together. Okay, or directly use the press and pull. The press and pull, it will join the lines and then perform the extrusion. Okay, so I can directly extrude this one by 18, and then I can extrude this part by 18 plus 17, which is 30. Okay. In order to have a more realistic view, you can go to the view and then change it to conceptual or something you would like the view to be. Okay. Now you have two parts because you perform the drawing first to this part and to this part. Now you can join those two parts together by solid editing, and here we have union. So union, now select the objects, select the object, enter, and now it is one part. Thank you.